morning, sunshines. So, I got this little mic thing, trying it out to see how it is with sound. And, what's the matter? What's going on?
That today's been his turn.
Whose turn?
It's our turn to watch our show. He watches show.
Well, you guys need to be getting dressed for school, so I don't know what y'all are getting. That can fix that problem. So, I figured I would try this out today to see how my sound and stuff does, you know. Look at my face. Look. This is what pregnancy will do to your face. It will make you look like...
It's changing again, Jackson.
Are you guys getting dressed for school? Make sure all of your clothes is picked up off of the bathroom floor, because I'm not dealing with clothes on my bathroom floors today. So, please to pick them up. So, yeah. So, today I have an appointment that I have to go to. I have to go to the bank. I have to go to Walmart to go pay off Jackson's layaway. I have to go grocery shopping. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. Hopefully this is going to be a very interesting vlog. So stay tuned. I will see you guys in a little bit. Bye. Okay guys, so I am all glammed up and ready to go. Have to go to my appointment. The house is already clean. I have to go grocery shopping. I have to go to the bank. I have a lot of stuff to do today, so I'm going to take you guys along with me. My first stop is my appointment, and it's now 10:36, so I have to get in the car like right now. So yeah, so see you guys in a little bit. Bye. Guys, it is raining like there's nobody's tomorrow. Ugh. I don't even know. I don't know about this. But oh, look how far my car is. Come here. Come on. My car is like really, really far. And it's raining. So I gotta go. I gotta leave the house. You walk up? It's flipping raining. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I'm in the car. It's raining. It's really raining. I hate coming out in the rain. Hate it, hate it, hate it, hate it. But I gotta go to my appointment. And I gotta get dinner. The kids made my car a mess. So let me show you guys something. Can't drive with shoes. It's cold. I can't drive with shoe or socks. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Going over there?
Yeah, I'm waiting for them to get off school. So I've been having like a really, really bad day. Like, went to the bank. Took me 1 hour because I went through the drive-thru, told the girl, you know, I need to cash my check. I've always cashed it at my bank. She's like, well, we can't do it because your funds are low in your bank account. Really? Really? So I said, you know what? Close the account. So I was like, you know what? I'm coming inside. I went inside. I was like, where's the manager? Because she claimed she went to a manager like in 2 seconds to go get approval to cash my check. Where's the manager? She's with someone right now. I was like, no, I'll wait. I'll speak to the manager. So I sat there for like 45 minutes. Then the teller supervisor came. No, first the other lady came and she was like, well, you want to wait for the manager? She's going to be a while, or do you want to speak to my teller supervisor? I said, I'll wait for the manager. I've been here this long. I'm going to sit here, and if it takes me 4 hours, that's how long it's going to take me, because I need to speak to the manager. Because if this is how you guys treat your customer, then I need to find another bank. Because, anyways, long story short, they were able to cash my check. And I was able to get out of there. But I didn't get to go grocery shopping. And I didn't get to go get anything for the kids excuse me. Oh, I had a sharp pain underneath my ribs. So, but I did, however, stopped at Ross and got some stuff for the baby for next week's baby buy. So, yeah, next week's baby buy, which is Sunday. So, I was so mad. I was so mad. I was so angry. And then Jackson fell asleep in there in the bank on me. And I had to wake him up because I can't pick him up. I don't want to risk, because the last pregnancy I was high risk. So this time I don't want to risk nothing. I'm not taking no. I'm just going to do what I'm supposed to be doing and call it a day, because I don't want to put anything. I don't want to put this baby in jeopardy. So I'm just here waiting at the bus stop for my kids. Oh, let me show you my light. Not my lights. The lights at our complex. Right there. They're all pretty. So pretty. Oh, that one's out. That one didn't come on yet. Pretty. It's 3:51. These lights are set to come on when the sensor night, when it get dark, and it's been raining all day. So yeah. Yep. So I'll see you guys later. Gia, but look, I have all the kids. I need to go finally at the grocery store after how many hours? So many junk. Oh, look what I do when I come here. There's none. I usually get the candies that fall down there and eat them. They're free. But there's none down there. No. So, we're finally at the grocery store, and oh, beef jerky. There's sweet chipotle right here. I love me some beef jerky right there. I love my grocery store. It's always empty. Junk. I don't even know why I'm down this aisle. My phone is about to die. We need some popcorn. No, we don't.
Yeah, we do.
No, we don't. No, we don't. Cookies? Sierra Miss Cranberry Splash. No, they didn't.
Ow!
Let's go, guys. I gotta get eggs. Egg. What's the matter, Illy? Oh, that's... Usually I get cheaper eggs. Okay, finally. $3.49. Oh, look. These are on sale. And it's 12. So I can get two of these for the price of the other one. Here, put this in the cart. Thank you. Oh, she's doing that. So, look at it. Is there any broken? No, they're not broken? All right, let's go. We need to get cheese.
And flour.
I'll see you guys later. I gotta go.
We have to get flour too.
Okay, people. So, I have Mr. here. He always has the funniest face. All in his face.
What?
So we finished grocery shopping. We didn't do much. I didn't vlog because my phone was dying. So it's about to be bedtime. 5 minutes is bedtime. Like pieces. Deuces.
Why do you guys like bedtime?
Because it's bedtime. Because you have to go to school.
It's big.
He said why we have to say bedtime. So guess what I found at the grocery store, guys? He said he liked some ginger candy. I love me some ginger candy. Ginger candy. I will give you guys a sneak peek of my baby buy. Sneak peek. Sneak peek. Sneak peek. Yeah. It was pretty cheap too because it was Ross. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, which is Friday.
Tomorrow's Friday?
No, I'll see you guys. Yeah. So I need to get a good schedule down. I'm still.
Tomorrow's not Friday.
Say hi. Say hi, sunshine. What is that?
Candy.
Candy. Eliana, go say hi.
Oh. Hi,
My
sunshine.
belly. This is my belly.
It's big.
And I'm not even.
Wow.
At least 4 weeks. He married? 4 weeks. Yeah. Bye, guys.
They're really big.
I know I told you guys that I'm gone, but I'm not gone. I'm here. Jill,
Yeah.
it's bed.
It's big.
Yep. I'm shutting down the house. Nowhere, nowhere. The angel dancing.
Guys, turn off the fire. Guys, turn
Na,
off
na,
the
na, 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 na,
fire.
na.
Guys, turn off
Nowhere.
Mommy.
Huh?
Guys, turn off the fire.
Everything gets turned off. Yes. Turn off the fireplace. It's right here. Alright. Come on. I take my makeup off. So, I didn't do much today. I think I was successful.
Well, make sure you
So
put these
I will
back
see you
in
guys.
the right place. Hey,
I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. What do you want to say?
Bye, sunshine.
Bye, sunshine. Good night, sunshines.